Sister Onye, you cannot pray in silence.
Madam, there are some things you're chasing in life. You don't need to pray in silence. You need to blast in the Holy Ghost.
Are you out of the rest? Yes, very good.
You're not going anywhere.
Oh yeah, what's the meaning of this?
Who are dressed like this now? All the hope.
Why do you have to tell me? Like, are you okay?
I'll wash my hands off you now.
What? If you be off, but not one near my side, though. You hear me so? If you be clean, if you be not one near my side, though. See, go out to my master for you. My vest not good, though. Go okay, go good. Go here and go and of you. If I know you, they don't stitch your face, though.
Oh, yeah, you are now this.
Now your fat born, now the boy. Your fat born, now the boy.
You don't get shame at all. You don't get shame, even small one. Make I just go give madam juice and I don't carry and you go the drink.
Who you want? See, you don't respect for this house. You don't respect me, madam. Hey, madam, you don't employ. Come here. You don't employ Babalawo daughter for service and flash you don't know.
Hey, what is it, you guys? What is it?
Madam, Elena just confess give me now say she be Babalawo pikin. Say she go travel go village as she dey come back she go bring juju come.
Oh, I see.
Madam, don't give me go ahead. I go mash this girl.
You don't have to do anything.
Kill me. And I scatter my portfolio. Hey, Yaka. Okay, now I'll do the 2.5.
What happened? What? Hey, who you want? You. Oh, he said I'm me. Man, just tell you the truth. On this fine boy, they do so not before this house. My dad called me come out. Go they do every time, but the guy go dress. Go come baby like upcoming gay. Go up all and talk like so that they stand. Now I tell you understand.
Your maid and a mom. You didn't tell me that you're running a charity organization.
Bros, I beg you, no verse, eh? Me, I understand you. So all these things, English way they break so, eh? And because madam sit down for you, eh? I don't say they take eye, they look my pick.
Madam, please mind your language.
What are you calling?
This is the animal. This is the guy I met at the gate.
Animal? No. Not be me.
Maybe when she goes back to her village, she can go be the church there and teach good morals herself. Clown shit.